What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. It's Mark McNealy from Financial Abundance and Healthy Living. I hope y'all are doing amazing out here today. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can actually detox, do a 5-day detox utilizing some simple products that we have here. And man, this is going to be definitely something good to help you. All right, detox and get rid of bacteria within the digestive system, within your intestines, within your gut, and just really stimulate the system, right, to get it moving as well as deodorizing the system. Now, before we get started in the video, if you're interested in one-on-one coaching and support to getting rid of halitosis, bad breath, or if you are interested in any of our at-home products, there'll be links below or email below in the description box of this video, whereas you can get more information on that stuff. With that being said, hey, make sure you all hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on all if you like this video. So what we have here is just a little cup. I have 1/4 teaspoon. All right, and we are going to have our water here. Okay, and so what this is going to do real quick, the baking soda is going to alkaline the body, alkaline the blood, and it's going to neutralize. It's a cleansing agent. It's going to neutralize your system, your digestive system. The apple cider vinegar, it's very, very acidic, as well as the baking soda. But the apple cider vinegar with the mother, you can use any brand you want. As long as it's raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This has been known to stimulate the digestive system. This has been known to increase your stomach acid. A lot of times people that have A-type blood, they have low stomach acid. It's just part of the game, so they are more prone to get sick. They're more prone to just have digestive issues, like a lot of bloatingness, a lot of just gut discomfort. So apple cider vinegar is going to stimulate the digestive system as well. We all know that vinegar is a very, very good cleansing agent, and the acidity and the apple cider vinegar, along with the mother which is inside of this apple cider vinegar, is known for helping the digestive gut balance out your pH within the digestive gut and kill off microbes and kill off bacteria. So when you combine the two together, I mean, man, it's a force to be reckoned with. So if you smell, if you have a lot of gas, if you're constipated, you can do this tip. Now, they do have some other alternatives, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys what to do. They do have some other alternatives, like you can, take apple cider gummies if you don't like the harsh apple cider vinegar. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour in about, I don't know, about a tablespoon or so. I say about a tablespoon. Sometimes you can do a little bit more. It just depends on you, your system, and how strong you want it. If you're just starting this, I wouldn't recommend going overboard because it can cause some digestive, digestive discomfort. The next thing is you want to take your 1/4 teaspoon, okay, add it in there just like this. As you can see, just dump it in there like that. And as you can see, it starts to fizz up. All right. And then what you want to do is you want to add some water. You want to get your water just like that. And then what I do is I drink it. And then what you should notice, in about, depending on your system and depending on what you have eaten, the day before, you should start to notice that you have to use the bathroom. It's going to start stimulating your intestines. It's going to start stimulating your digestive system. You're going to notice you're going to have some bubbling going on. That's a good thing because that's how you know that it's working, and you're going to start to release poop. So if you've eaten bad, if you need to detox, or if your breath just stinks or smells, you can do this. You can also do this to also help you from getting sick, help your digestive system to kind of boost it, give it a boost, a charge. Now, the downfall of taking the baking soda is that it's high in sodium. So if you're someone that struggles with high blood pressure and things like that, you want to be careful and not take too much of this, or you want to make sure that you're consuming enough water throughout the day. And that's it. Um, if you don't want to use the baking soda, then you can just use apple cider vinegar every day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day. All right, that's pretty much it. You'll notice that you'll start using the bathroom, you'll poop, you're gonna feel a lot better, and the smells that you normally smell from within your system, within your gut, you will notice that these smells will start to neutralize, or they will go away. So I would recommend that you do the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar at least maybe 5 days a week, right? After 5 days, I wouldn't do the baking soda every day. You can do apple cider vinegar. You can take apple cider gummies and things like that. So that would be my recommendation, just because baking soda, it can be, um, you know, a little harsh on the system in terms of you don't want to be codependent on baking soda and using baking soda as if it's it almost serves as a way to reduce the stomach acid, if that makes sense. So you don't want your body getting used to having baking soda every day, right? But it's good for detoxes, doing it, every so many months or so, um, doing it 5 days in a row. But you're good on the apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar is going to also do the trick as well in terms of cleansing your system, cleansing the organs, and things like that. So that's it. Sometimes you can drink it when it's real fizzy. Like once you mix the water, you can drink it when it's real fizzy, and you can like get an instant um, feel or instant fix on cleansing the system. But I like to dilute mine a little bit more to where it's not so fizzy going down. Alright, so I hope this video helps. Let me know what you guys think about this video, but this will definitely knock out the halitosis, bad breath smell. Oftentimes it can do it probably immediately. Alright, so as you're going throughout your day, as you're at work, when you combine these two, you shouldn't be offending people. You should be able to go throughout your day, with, a healthy smell, a healthy gut within the digestive system, because you guys all know, I believe that bad breath, halitosis, is stemmed from the gut. So you want to do this again first thing in the morning. And anyway, I miss you all. I'm back with more video content, so stay tuned. This is a tip that you all can use. Again, use it at your own risk. This is for educational purposes only, but very, very good, very, very powerful. Again, will balance your pH level, will clean your organs, it will cleanse your intestines, it will cleanse the bacteria from the intestinal walls. When you combine the two together, it's going to remove the junk from around your intestinal walls. So that's what you want. You want to do this at least once a day. You can do it twice per day, but definitely make sure when you do it that, depending on what you've been eating, that you have a restroom nearby in case you have to use it, because it will stimulate you. Well, guys, with that being said, I'm Mark. I'm getting out of here. Peace and blessings. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking with you guys real soon. Take care.